The best OBS streaming settings for your low-end PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about some of the settings that you can change without the need of GPU for your low-end PC. So first of all, open your OBS. Once you have opened, go to the files and then into the settings. Once the setting is open, the first thing that you can do is go to stream and then connect your account. This way you can use the Twitch service, or you could just use the stream key as well. Once you have connected the account, go to output. In the output mode, select advanced and then go to streaming. Now here are some changes that you need to do. The first one is on the audio encoder. Make sure to select FFmpeg AAC. Similarly, in the video encoder, if you do not have GPU, you can set it as it is. From the rescale output, click on the tick box and change the resolution or the rescaling to 1280 by 720. So once this is done, let's move on to the encoder settings. First of all, you need to keep the rate control as it is. The bitrate can be changed to 500 kbps. The keyframe interval can be kept as it is. The CPU usage preset must be set to ultra fast. The profile can be set to high and the tune can be set to 0 latency. In case of X264 options, you can paste the command provided in the description box and then click on apply and OK. After this changes has been made, go to the video section from the left side of the screen. On the video, you have to make one changes. That is, common FPS values must be set to 60. And this could probably help in the best streaming settings. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.